tide. I'm drifting on the highway with the ocean by my side. The road stretches out like a ribbon through the sand, chasing distant horizons with the wheel in my hand. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Sense of the skyline as I drive beneath the stars. Every turn and every wave, they carry me far. Salt in the air and the wind in my hair, road and ocean blend together without a single care. Oh, 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 the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Every mile tells a story untold. From the deep blue sea to the paths that unfold, I find my freedom where the horizon lies, with the road as my compass and the sea as my guide. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. So I'll keep on rolling with the sea in my view, chasing endless sunsets and the morning undew. The road and the ocean, they lead me home. In this boundless adventure, I'm never alone.
Waves crashing on the shore, whispers of the tide. I'm drifting on the highway with the ocean by my side. The road stretches out like a rhythm through the sand, chasing distant horizons with the wheel in my hand. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Sunsets paint the skyline as I drive beneath the stars. Every turn and every wave, they carry me afar. Salt in the air and the wind in my hair, road and ocean blend together without a single care. Ooh. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Every mile tells a story untold. From the deep blue sea to the paths that unfold, I find my freedom where the horizon lies, with the road as my compass and the sea as my guide. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name to endless journey of wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the river where the sea meets the road. So I'll keep on rolling, the sea in my view, chasing endless sunsets and the mornings through. The road and the ocean, they lead me home. In this boundless adventure, I'm never alone.
Flash the beat so loud, feel the bass shaking the ground, lost in the sound of the crowd, dancing feet never touch down. Heartbeat sings with the tune, under the glow of the moon. Neon skies bright in the gloom, in this place there's no room. Dance all night, feel alive, lose yourself in the vibe. No more worries, leave behind, in the music we unite. Stars twinkle above us here, every note erases fear. In this moment everything's clear, only rhythm that we hear. Feel the rise, every kick, melody so hypnotic. Time stands still, every tick, when the night turns electric. Dance all night, feel alive, lose yourself in the vibe. No more worries, leave behind, in the music we unite. Stars twinkle above us here, every note erases fear. In this moment everything's clear, only rhythm that we hear. Stars twinkle above us here, every note erases fear. In this moment everything's clear, only rhythm that we hear. Feel the rise, every kick, melody so hypnotic. Time stands still, every tick, when the night turns electric. Dance all night, feel alive, lose yourself in the vibe. No more worries, leave behind, in the music we unite.
Stars are shining bright above, electric pulse that we all love. Feel the beat, it's in our veins, dance away all the pain. Guitar screams a sound that's real, piano chords that make us feel. Violin sings a soulful tune, banjo under the midnight moon. Hands up high, we touch the sky, heartbeats loud as we fly by. Rhythms blend and come alive in this place where we thrive. Drums and bass, they shake the floor. Harmonica calls us for more. Through whispers of sweet delight, organ plays into the night. Rock and roll in every beat, EDM that moves our feet. Voices join in harmony, lost in this sweet symphony. Hands up high, we touch the sky. Heartbeats loud as we fly by. Rhythms blend and come alive in this place where we thrive.
Rolling down the fast lane with a heart that won't refrain. The guitar screaming in the night. We got the world in our sight. Play that bass so loud, feel it rising from the crowd. Piano keys, they start to dance. Let that music take a chance. Rock and roll, we're alive. Feel the beat, we will thrive. When the organ joins the tune, we are dancing to the moon. The whispers in between, like a dream scene unseen. Banjo strumming fast and tight, harmonica in the light. In this moment we are free.
skies turn black, the winds scream loud. Yagis rage in the stormy shroud. Waves crash high, the thunder rolls. No mercy here for shattered souls. The rain's pouring down like a wild river's cry. Lightning strikes in the midnight sky. Hold on tight, there's no way out. Yagi's here, no room for doubt. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing safe from the storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing still. Crushing dreams and bending will. The seas rise up, devouring land. Nature's power at Yagi's command. Silent streets now washed away by Yagi's wrath, no one can stay. Tides are pulling ships astray. In her path there's no delay. Every breath is full of fear as Yagi whispers, I'm still here. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing safe from the storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing still. Crushing dreams and bending will. When the morning breaks and the storm is gone, we'll see the wreckage Yagi's left upon. But we'll rebuild, we'll find our way through the shadows of yesterday. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing safe from the storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing still. But we stand tall, unbroken still. The skies turn black, the winds scream loud. Yagi's rage in the stormy shroud. Waves crash high, the thunder rolls. No mercy here for shattered souls. Rain's pouring down like a wild river's cry. Lightning strikes in the midnight sky. Hold on tight, there's no way out. Yagi's here, no room for doubt. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing safe from the storm's disease. Devouring land. Nature's power at Yagi's command. Silent streets now washed away by Yagi's wrath, no one can stay. Tides are pulling ships astray. In her path there's no delay. Every breath is full of fear as Yagi whispers, I'm still here. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing safe from the storm's disease. Your roars leaving nothing still. Crushing dreams and bending will. When the morning breaks and the storm is gone, we'll see the wreckage Yagi's left upon. But we'll rebuild, we'll find our way in the shadows of yesterday. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing safe from this storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing stand tall, unbroken still. In this moment, feel the beat. Young hearts dancing in the street. Rhythms blend from every side. Soundtrack to our daily ride. Colors burst in every song. Anthems where we all belong. From the night until the dawn, music keeps us moving on. This is our time, our tune. Underneath the silver moon, diverse and bright we sway. In this moment, every day, melodies that lift our souls, breaking free from every mold. In the charts and in the cars, singing out beneath the stars. This is our time, our tune. Underneath the silver moon, diverse and bright we sway. In this moment, every day. In the mix, the genres blend. Every note from end to end. Pop and rock and hip-hop too. Every beat feels fresh and new. This is our time, our tune. Underneath the silver moon, diverse and bright we sway. In this moment,